How to add watermark in your Instagram Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add watermark in Instagram Reels. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you will need to take is open up your Insta. After you open up your Insta, you can simply head over to add a new post. You can do it however you want. I'll just go to my drafts and pick a reel I just was made ready. After doing that, what I can do is I can tap on the edit button on the top right to edit this reel. Now what I can do here is I can simply add a text. So I can add a text that will be my watermark. So just choose any of these what do we call this, a font, and after choosing a font you can simply use that as a watermark. Now you can make this, you can use different colors as well. There are a lot of color choices that you can use, and after you just do this, just place it wherever you want. Now you can just adjust its size, and after you do that, tap on done, and yeah, now you can place it here. Make sure that it fills the entire video, or you can just place it at a certain part as well. Tap on done, and with that, tap on share, and after you tap on share, your reel will get posted with the watermark itself. So after the reel gets posted, you can actually check that out, that you will have that very watermark on your reel. And yeah, that is how you do it. That is how you add watermark in Instagram Reels, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.